Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to zoom in or zoom out in your pages on the Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your Notion website or Notion web portal by connecting or signing with your Google or Apple account, or you can just sign with your email address. And now, here in this page, I have created this new page in my workspace so I can show you how to zoom in. So basically, the main idea in this feature is using the browser and not the Notion application. Because basically, all we need to do now is to zoom in or to use the browser zoom and not the application or the website itself. So there are many options to do so. So let's just have the things, hello world. And now I'm going to zoom by using a shortcut, which is the Control plus or Control minus of your keyboard, and you will have the ability to zoom in Notion. Otherwise, you can just go here to the settings of your browser. Whatever the browser you are using, you will have a 3-point settings or a 3-line settings. Either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or whatever the browser that you are using, and you click, and here you will find something in the settings or the options. You will find a zoom option. You will just need to click on plus or minus, or you can just click on control and scroll with your mouse if you are using an external mouse, or if you are using a touchpad, you can scroll with your two fingers and go enlarge them in your touchpad, and you will have the zoom in and zoom out effect. So basically, this is how you can zoom in the Notion website. Thank you for watching and see you next time.